Hello friends, myself Tanya Singh from Government Girls Polytechnic Gorakhpur. I am the student of IT first year. I have completed my online summer training from TechPile Technology Private Limited Lucknow. It was really a great experience. Here I have learnt about many languages and web technologies like HTML, CSS, Java, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, database. Divya ma'am and Raul sir explain each and everything very well. So let's see the project. It was the home page. Here there are two buttons, student login and admin login. So first we login admin. Here we have to enter username and password and then login. Here our admin dashboard opens. This is student report. Here admin can see all the information of student that student fill at the time of registration. And the next is add notification. Here admin can add notification. And the next is developer. And the next is about college. Here at the top, this is slider in which the images are sliding, and below the slider here is about all the teachers. And the next is assignment. From here admin can add the assignment. And the last one is logout. From and here you can log out. And this is menu. From here we can also open all these. Dashboard, developer, add notification, add assignment, about college, and now back to the home page. Click on student login. Here our student login opens. First of all, if you don't have an account, you have to register from here. Here I have already registered, so back to the login. Here we have to fill the same mobile number and password that we fill at the time of registration. And then click on login. Here our dashboard opens. This is the student profile. From here student can see their profile and can update also. And the next is notification. Here student can see the notification added by teacher. And the next is developer. Here you can see about the developer. And from here you can see all the videos uploaded by your teachers. And the next is college, which I have already showed you earlier in admin dashboard. And the next is assignment. From here you can see all the assignment given by your teachers. And this is menu. From here you can also open all these. And the last one is logout. From here you can log out. So thanks a lot to Divya ma'am and Raul sir. Thank you so much.